Yes. Hello. Yesterday I told you that we'll be coming to Studio 2, and now we are in Studio 2. Now I'm going. Before we start, I'm going to teach you about something, why we should pray, and know what the Bible also wants us to do. Many a time, people always think that they have a problem, and the problem most people have is that they don't want to be different. Unfortunately, God wants people to be different, and what He planned for you is not what He planned for the other person. And because they don't want to be different, they know that what they are doing is not from them, or they don't like it, and it is sometimes wrong, but they wouldn't stop, and they try to pretend that God has heard them, and they try to mimic things, but that's not how God works. Be yourself and do things the real way. Yesterday we talked about Exodus 22 verse 28, which says that thou shalt not revile the gods nor curse the ruler of thy people. I told you that the word God was Elohim. Elohim could mean God. For instance, in Genesis 1 verse 3, and God said, that word God meant Elohim, and Elohim meant God Almighty. Then Elohim could also mean angels. In Job 1:6, he says that when the sons of God, when the sons of came for time for the sons of God to meet, then Satan came. The sons of God, it is translated as Benai Elohim, and that is also what we call is God. And it could also mean a great person, or a ruler, or a judge. In Exodus 7:1, God told Moses that he would be like God. God never used the word Yahweh for Moses, but he used Elohim. So the rabbis looked at it and said that the name Elohim means the great one, and it could also mean for God. So if you regard to this interpretation, then you see that the ruler of the people is dealing with human beings. So naturally, the Elohim is also human being. So you're talking about thou shalt not curse the ruler and of the people. So what happens when when you decide to curse the ruler or shame? They say the word kalal means to curse, or to put to make him low, bring the person low, or shame. The Bible didn't tell us, but if you look at Exodus 20 verse 12, the word honor their father and mother. The name word father and mother is not just biological parents. It means leaders or rulers or people whom you are under their relations. You have a form of relational authority with them because of a certain relationship. Maybe you and your teacher, you and something else. So these are the things with God says that. And God equated, he said that if you do this, then it means that you have longevity. So if you don't honor, you create a system of honor, then the system, there will be no longevity. The people will not live long. The system will not live long. Business will not live long. Everything will not live long because there's no longevity. So then that means that if you don't do it, you will be cursed with unreliability, because early death of business, early death of plans, early death of everything. So you will see that this is a very serious thing, and God, every word God says, He means it. Yeah.